Hey everyone, welcome to Tuesday, August 13th. This is your tip or trick, and it's on a little known keyboard shortcut, Control and the plus key on a numeric keypad. You'll also see a guest appearance without credit of the Windows magnifier, which is Windows key and the plus key, and it doesn't have to be the plus on the numeric keypad, so it works on laptops and tablets as well. Enjoy! Hey, today's tip or trick, everyone, is based on a keyboard shortcut I learned a long time ago. It's not something I have access to that often. It's the Control and the plus sign on the numeric keypad. Notice what happens when I press that in this event viewer window with various fields that aren't viewable. And actually, when I hit Control and the plus on the numeric keypad, takes all of these columns and expands just based on the data in the columns, not necessarily the column titles. So there might be some that I still need to pull apart. And that same thing works within the Explorer interface. So if I have maybe a number of files and I want to see everything, I can hit Control plus. And somebody pointed out to me this is also on the ribbon within the Explorer interface, which I was not aware of. I've never used that size all columns to fit feature within the Windows Explorer. But it also works with things like Event Viewer, and alas, it doesn't work in Excel. But Excel has another function where I can take something and under Format on the ribbon, Auto Fit Column Width, which does the same type of thing for me. So if I use that, notice that it fits based on the first names that I have in column A. So that's your tip or trick for today. Thanks for watching. Thanks everybody for watching. Feel free to subscribe to this channel and watch other videos. It can be accessed at aka.ms/TuesTips for Tuesday's tips. Thanks. Have a great day.